Alright, so I thought I'd do a quick video on TradingView, because I remember when I first got on TradingView, I was like, what the fuck? Like, obviously when you're a beginner and you come on to see this shit, it just fries your brain, so I thought I'd clear it up a little bit. So, first thing you do, when you open up any random chart like this, it doesn't matter, select this here, volume, bin, get that shit gone. Then what you want to do is you want to go up to this, whenever you see this logo here, look where my cursor is, whenever you see this logo, that's settings, so that means you can edit stuff basically. You want to go onto your chart settings, and you can fuck around with all this, but I turn grid lines off. I can't actually remember my own settings because I've had them on so long, but I'll post my settings in the Discord or whatever later, or in the description, whatever. But if you want to change your chart colours and shit like that, you that's what you do it. You go on body, you can change it to white, black, and then you just do the same. Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like that actually though, just so it's a bit easier to understand. Why I'm doing this. Alright, so next thing you want to do is you want to create a watch list. So go over to watch list here. If your chart's like that, just open it. This one here, open it. Create a new list. Oh, fuck off. So when you're in the free plan, because TradingView has premiums, you're quite limited to what you can do. But when you're starting, I wouldn't buy TradingView Premium until you're actually like trading more instead of learning, if that makes sense. So you want to do what I just did then, delete everything off the side, and go into your watch list and add whatever pairs you trade. So say if you just gold is a good one to learn off. So which one did I use when I did Forex? I used FXCM, but fuck it. Well, yeah, go this one. So go and gold there, and you can add whatever you want. So if you want to trade Euro, USD. So this is just the pair name, simple. So Euro, you're betting the Euro against the US dollar. And this here is just the broker, and all that means is it's just the prices, the display can be a little bit different. It doesn't matter too much, but obviously if you get a shit broker with a huge spread, which just means the difference in price, then it's not the best for your trading. So if you're trading Forex pairs and shit like that, I recommend FXCM. It's the closest to prop firms that I've seen. So you've got your chart here. I've showed you how to customize your chart colors and all that. So on TradingView, what everything does, you kind of have to work it out for yourself. This bit on your left here is like your toolbox, I'll call it. And if you click on one, you can star like favorites, so stuff that you use often, so you don't have to fuck around and go through all of this. So fib, trend line. I use horizontal rays quite a lot. They're just lines basically. It's all a lot simpler than it looks, and then obviously you have, where the fuck's the box? There. So here you have all these. These two are just showing your buying and selling positions. So say if you wanted, I don't know, to enter on this, the start of this 5 minute fair value gap, or daily fair value gap, sorry. This just shows, probably not the best to do in the daily time frame, but the red bit just shows your stop. So your stop is at the bottom of this red bit here. And the top just shows your take profit. So there, and this is the risk to reward ratio. That's just how much you're risking compared to what your reward's going to be. So ideally you want this to be at least a 1 to 3 minimum. So your take profit should be about 3 times the size of your loss, because that's how you can take losses and not give a shit. Alright, time frames here. You want the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. That's all I really use, to be honest. Higher time frame is 15 and up, and lower time frame is 5, 3, 1. So yeah, and all it is on the time frames is just whatever time frame you're on. 1 hour represents that candle. So this candle here started at 2 o'clock and it closed, and the next candle opened at 3 o'clock. So it just represents an hour of price movement. And obviously before we've gone over the open, close, high, and there is no low for this one, but a low as well. So yeah, I trade NQ. Why the fuck? Yeah. So I trade NQ1, but on NQ1, you can fuck off. Well, Finland's gonna stay there a minute. I forgot to turn them off. So on NQ1, price on TradingView is delayed by 10 minutes because you have to pay, I think, £6 or £8, probably around like $10 a month or something like that, to get the data on TradingView. But if you get a TopStep funded account, you can just use TopStep X. But I prefer to just have it all on TradingView. It's only $10. I mean, if you can't afford $10 for chart data, then you probably shouldn't be trading. Because realistically, you should probably have a job while you're trading as well. It makes it a lot easier and it makes your psych a lot better. But yeah, I think that's it for TradingView. That's buy, that's sell. Fib, go over, layer. Trend lines, it's just a fucking line. This is just where you put your levels. This is if you want to call it out. So edit that. And yeah, and you've got a box here to mark out your fair value gaps, your order blocks. So yeah, and just have a little mess around in it. How you edit everything is, again, click on something, this logo, yeah, and then you just edit it to whatever you want. So yeah, just have a bit of mess around with it, but that's pretty much TradingView. That's all you really need, and then this is just how you look at your pairs. So yeah, bye.